abbr HTML element. abbr, or abbreviation HTML element, is an element that we usually use to create abbreviation for some text in our web page. So basically, with abbr HTML element, we will create abbreviated text, and with title HTML attribute, we will set full length of that text. So basically, anytime when website user hover on our abbreviated text, full length of that text will be displayed like a tooltip text. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.